New product coming out. Or new product that is out, should I say. Let's see. See what's in it. Alright. Well, let me read the instructions. You guys see that? Let me read the instruction. And I'll get back to you guys. Alright, this is what comes with it.
Download the Domino's app today and become a piece of the pie.
Here we go. You got 3 tips. What is that? A little screen mesh. This is for the water bottle. I don't know why you need a leveler, but it's all good. We'll find out. The screws that you need to bolt on wherever you're gonna bolt it on. Drill a hole. This is a nozzle cleaner. We'll see what else is in there. You get the they hit me up, but there you go. So you get the hose. It all connects to the pressure washer. All right, guys. So in this little bag, you guys will get the adapter. Put this in right here. So it's built in. You don't need a pressure washer anymore because it's built in. You see, it's a cord over there. So you put this in. You could add this, or you could put your hose directly into that. You still have, like I said, I guess they give you a leveler so that way you can go ahead and make sure it's leveled out. Back plate right here. They give you the screws and everything you need to wherever you're gonna bolt it to. So go ahead, you bolt it on, put it in, and you slide it in. So right now I'm gonna just finish putting it together, then we're gonna test it out. All right, guys, so here we go. It's Giraffe Tools. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can order it on Amazon or from their direct web page. Has a built-in compressor already. Super simple and easy. Only one thing you guys got to be careful with, if you guys do buy it, when you guys carry this back piece of plastic right here will dig into your skin, so it's a little bit sharp. Not sharp enough to cut you, but who knows. Just be careful when you guys do grab this right there. So hold it up, and I guess yeah. Let me see. I want this out of the way. And I guess there you go. We got the homie over here. Here, I'll hold it so that way it doesn't move. The homie's gonna test it out right now. Hold on. Pull it. You can pull. Pull this. Sorry guys, it's all raw. I couldn't. It's not my shop. That's a 0, right? The tip? Yeah. It's a 0 tip? Yeah. Let's see the next one. It's easy. You just pull down on that little lever right there and just switch it out, just like a air compressor. And it has a, hold on real quick. It also, pull the hose so you can see. As you guys see, it retracts on its own. So you don't have to worry about putting it in there and making sure that it's all nice and tidy. It'll do it on its own. Go ahead. nice ring to it. Change the tip. That one was a which one?
The 15.
That's a 15 tip. And the next one is 25. Does a good job. Spreads out more, huh? That means the 45 should be even better. Cause that's the last one, right? 45. So we're gonna test out the 45 right now. And this is a great product.
No,
so far, it's a 40. So far, so long, it's a great product, doing its job. And that car's been sanded down. It's about to go into paint. So oh yeah. Also comes with a little bucket for the water, for the soap. As you guys see, it turns off every time you don't squeeze the trigger. As soon as you squeeze it, it turns on. All you gotta do literally is just connect your hose, plug it in. It's a plug and play right there. Can't go wrong with it. Alright, we got the homie Archie right here. He's about to test it out. He's the owner of the shop, so let us know what you think. Go ahead. I'll hold it. Oh, wait.
Actually, look like he about to rob somebody.
I love your attitude.
He's about to, you see that car is already all dirty. That's, what tip was that one? That was a 40 tip. You guys see that, right? Hold on, Archie, before you continue. Stop. Now, automatically stops. Change the tip. Just a little bit, like right there. Enough for you to just clean that car. That's how you just load up. And let's see. I think you're gonna need one of these in your shop.
Buy everything. Let's see. How much pressure?
You like it?
Says I think the pressure is up to, what is it? It's about 1,000 something.
Is it 22?
Oh, 22.
Non-adjustable?
Non-adjustable. It does it by I guess it does it by itself. So far so long. This is a review. Gonna take the gunk off the floor. You guys see that? That's with ease right there. I think that's the cleanest that floor's been.
Yeah.
We're gonna try this
For the
out.
soap?
Yeah.
On the end?
Yeah, take this tip out. There you go. How you like it, Archie?
Yeah.
Good product for your shop.
You got an adjustment knob.
Yeah, just put it on. There you go. You can adjust it. I don't know how much the soap is gonna come out. So
It says there's a max and a minimum on it. You can adjust it.
where is it at? The max or the minimum? Try the minimum and then just. Okay, open it up a little bit more.
Are we on?
Yeah. No, the nozzle. The top.
Nozzle.
Yeah.
We'll have it.
Okay. No power?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it probably got kicked. Let me see. No power. Something. Well, that's no power. All right, guys. That has nothing to do with the equipment. That was over here at the shop. We have too much high power equipment running. Here and there, the breaker gives out, but I mean, you guys seen what it does. Giraffe tools. Here we go. Broke again? The breaker? So the pressure washer tool is model P106-G30. If you guys want to order that, I'll put the link below. or you guys can get it from Amazon or direct buy from the Giraffe Tools. All right, guys, we got it back up and running. We had to change the socket. There you go. We just put regular dish soap right now, but you guys can, as you guys can see, you guys can put whatever soap you guys want. Just about there is good. Oh, that's our fault. Right, you guys see that? I'm about to wash it off. Let's see what it does. Doing a pretty good job of it. Nice and easy.
Something's very a little bit better.
Well, then again, I don't know what soap we got. You know, if it's too thin for it to pick up. But I guess once you use the, go ahead, pull. Wait a minute. There you go. Sorry, guys. Kind of hard when it's not bolted down, but you guys kind of, you know, it's not my shop, so I can't put it there. Still got soap right there on the other side. That way it doesn't eat up into his. Nice and easy, smooth sailing from there. You guys see? Cleaned up pretty good. The floor cleaned up pretty good. That's a 45?
15.
15? Let's see, we'll do that one on the floor. Alright, so the zero, like I guess the zero would be the one for the floor. It's doing its job, but it's not that compared to the other one. There you guys go. And check this out. This is where you guys connect. You guys got a reset button just in case power goes out, or a test if you got power. Easy turn off. Leave it hanging wherever you want. Then you can recline it. Let me see.
Where you put it up at?
Right here. Oh, it's right down the side. Look, has a holding place for it. The other way right there. Right now, because of the, it's right there. So pretty much that's it. It's simple 1, 2, 3. It's a plug and play kind of thing. You guys don't need much. But yeah, we didn't actually wipe it down, but you guys get the idea. For all your car needs, floor, shops, whatever you guys want. I'll put the link in the description down below.